Hey, good morning, Saginaw Bay fishermen, fisherwomen. This is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast. Mark Torregrossa, brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. We do have a little bit of a lighter wind period coming up, so let's check her out. And that is today. That is this afternoon. Winds will be diminishing. So here's the radar forecast. We're dry today. We're dry on Thursday. And then by Friday, we start to turn showery. And bigger picture, the weekend has a storm system around, so you'll want to watch the details closely. There could be some fishing weather, but not real likely. This is Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, so we could get into a dry period, but with the southwest wind at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. And then the storm kicks through Sunday into Monday, and we turn cold and windy on the backside of it and don't see the wind die down really probably until late Tuesday of next week. In this pattern, you're going to get about one day every 5 days where the wind has died down. So here's the wind forecast. This morning, 10, 11, noon, you can see the winds coming down, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, northwest wind turning to west. This is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. When you don't see any coloring over there, that's the 5 to 10 mile an hour wind. Remember, it's probably going to be windier on the water than what the models show, but if they show a light wind, it probably won't be a surprisingly too strong of wind. This is 7 o'clock this evening, 8, 9, 10. So this afternoon, as long as you want to fish, would be a pretty good period. Now we go into tomorrow morning and the winds start to pick up. 8, 9, 10, 11, noon. Tomorrow morning could be on a south wind, could be okay. Probably 10 to 15 miles an hour. But it'll quickly pick up in wind by afternoon up to 20 miles an hour. And then, of course, we have the storm systems around. And just to look, the waters will be warming up. We'll be highs in the 40s today, mid-50s tomorrow. Look at that temperature contrast across Saginaw Bay from 60 at the mouth of the river to only in the 30s at Tawas. Saturday in the 60s, Sunday in the 60s to near 70s. So your water is going to start to warm up. It warms up pretty quickly on Saginaw Bay. And that is going to start. And just one last thing, the extended forecasts for you. 6 to 10 day forecast about normal. 8 to 14 day first week of April, leaning toward warmer than normal, wetter than normal on a storm every 5 days. And the 3 to 4 week forecast through April, warmer than normal, wetter than normal. So we will have to deal with a storm system every 4 to 6 days or so. Hey, there is your Saginaw Bay weather forecast, brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.